Today I would like to talk about the process of building a character. Building a character has its roots in the art of acting going all the way back to Constantine Stanislavski in the late 1800s and early 1900s. In this video, I will outline the fundamentals of this process. Stick around to the end of the video while I will share a short reading list for more on this subject. Hey, this is Greg Braun, owner and acting coach of the New Collective Acting Studio, where we teach acting as a primary art form and promote creativity as a way of life. The art of building a character is very similar to layering a painting. The first step is to read the material and see and feel the emotional journey of the character. The actor's first goal is to understand the character as a three-dimensional human being. The script may only reveal part of this three-dimensional structure. If that is so, it is the actor's job to fill in the blanks. The actor does this by using their empathy. No matter what the character does in the story, in order for the actor to truly have the ability to step in, the actor must have the ability to empathize with the character. What are the three dimensions of a character? The answer comes from human psychology. They are need, public persona, and tragic flaw. I'll go more in depth in these ingredients in another video, but for now, this is the first step in building a character, understanding these ingredients. This is not a right or wrong process. Trust your feelings about it. Mull over the clues that are provided by the writer. Acting is collaborative. Think of the process of building a character as if it's a collaboration with the writer. Begin writing a character biography. This should not feel like a homework assignment or a book report. The character biography is a creative exercise. Also, it doesn't need to be finished. Think of the biography as a meeting place between you and the character. It is where you are weaving yourself and the character together with the three dimensions in mind. If someone were to read your biography, which I am in no way suggesting you do that, the exercise is for you, they would be able to feel the heartbeat of the character's need. Do character exercises. There are many exercises that you can do to build your character. The most important ones are a character private moment and an animal. Once you have begun the biography, the character private moment is the most important exercise to begin your journey. For the character private moment, the actor is lifting the character out of the script and placing them into their private world. Choosing an animal for the character is an artful way for the actor to explore unconventional behavior and establish an element of character. When this is used effectively, it allows the actor to transform. I'll explain more on these transformational exercises in another video. When you think about each of these different steps as different layers to your painting, you'll understand how profound this process can be as an actor. Now, here are two important books that deal with the subject of building a character. Constantine Stanislavski's Building a Character and Susan Batson's Truth. Susan Batson's book has a special place in my heart because she was my teacher and mentor for many years. Miss Batson's book goes in depth into the process of connecting to these three dimensions that I mentioned earlier: need, public persona, tragic flaw. Very, very in-depth, detail-oriented, process-based information that is not available in anything else that I've ever read. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Go to the description below for links to my acting studio website as well as my free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.